The recognizable bluebird emblem for Twitter has been removed from the website, and on Monday, employees were spotted in downtown San Francisco taking Twitter, writing off a sign in front of the company's headquarters. Police, however, halted the work after someone complained that the sidewalk hadn't been cordoned off to protect people from falling debris. Later, San Francisco police claimed there had been a misunderstanding on whether the employees needed permits to remove the sign between security, the building, and the company. After an investigation, it was determined that no crime had been committed and that there was no need for police involvement.